Jordan. Say hi.
I'm
Say hi. What? What?
Dada.
You eat them. They're for you. What? Uh-oh. You're gonna spill them. Be careful.
No.
Hey, Jordan. What are you doing over there with your hair? What are you doing? What's so funny? What is that? Did you get something out of your hair? Jordan is so big now. He used to be a little itty bitty baby. It's okay. You don't have to pay attention. You can eat your cakes. You got the good life. Don't have to worry about anything. What are you doing? What are you doing, Jordan? What's so funny? What do you laugh? Tell me. I want to laugh. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.